Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to introduce you to my newly acquired mint plants. I have peppermint, this is spearmint, and this here is sweet mint. The one thing that all mint plants have in common is their stems are a bit on the square shape. I recently learned this, and of course, if many of you probably know this already, but mints are typically used in cooking, making teas, um, some of them like peppermint here. This plant is actually a hybrid, which I did not know until recently. It is a hybrid between spearmint and watermint. There are many different kinds of mints, and they're all used in a variety of different applications. Food, of course, is being the main thing, such as cooking, as well as drinks. But when you're growing mint, um, the one thing you do not want to do is put them in your garden, because if you put a mint plant in your garden, doesn't matter what kind of mint it is, it will literally take over your entire garden. I am not even kidding. Within a few months, these mint plants here, they will take over and fill up these entire pots, and that's just as within a few months time. Um, these plants are also very winter hardy, and some of them I believe are gonna be a little bit more cold tolerant than others are. But you just have to do your research and figure out which plants are gonna be more cold tolerant to the conditions that you have. I can probably grow most mint plants here in Zone 9A, without any kind of protection, because these mint plants here can actually take a light freeze. If I just left them outside, they'll take it. They'll die down all the way to the roots. But they will come back when the weather improves. I don't use these plants for cooking because I know next to nothing about cooking. But I do like the fragrance, and one of the cool things with which you can do, I did this as a kid when I had mint plants as a kid. You can actually take off a stem or leaf and just plop it into your mouth. Granted, there's no insecticide on it. If there is, you have to wash it off first. But if you can just pluck it off and just eat it, enjoy the freshy goodness it brings your mouth. These I because of mint plant these like mint plants, you're gonna find them also in your gums and candies too, like spearmint gum, candy canes around the holidays, and many other applications. Yeah, I know this is a sudden video, and many of it I kind of ramble on about, but I just wanted to have share with you the mint plants that I have currently have, and I also read that catnip is also in the mint family as well. If you happen to have a cat and you grow catnip, it is related to these plants here, and so that does it with the mint plants. Um, if you happen to like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.